Hello, this is Tax. First, Happy New Year to all my returning subscribers, new subscribers, and everyone watching my video for the first time. Today, I will be teaching you an easy potato bite recipe. And for this recipe, I use rice flour, boiled potato, some garlic, onion, paprika, paprika powder, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So first I boiled my potatoes, and once that was ready, I proceed to the making proper. Here I added in 1 tablespoon of butter, and I fried my onion, garlic, and the grated paprika in it. And after that is well fried, I added half cup of water and bring it to boil, and then I proceed to add in the rice flour, which is half cup, and I mixed it. Once that was well combined, I poured in the maize into a bowl, grated in my potatoes, and add in the other ingredients. The other ingredients I used here was 2 tablespoons of corn starch flour, and I added in a bit of paprika powder and salt to taste. And the work left to do here is to mix and knead to ensure everything is well combined. At this stage, you can also taste to ensure the taste is well suited to your preference. And roll. You roll and cut out your desired size. And the tips I would give you here is to ensure you dust your board with some flour to prevent stickiness, and also rub some oil on your palm. Are you a fan of potato? Let me know in the comment section. And what is your favorite potato recipe? Are you always in need of new potato recipe? Then give this a try. I assure you, you would love it. I'll be cutting out 2 different sizes. This is because I intend to fry some and to use air fryer for the other. For the smaller size, I would fry it, and for the much bigger size, I'm going to fry in an air fryer. As for sauce to use in eating this potato bites, you can use your regular or favorite fried sauce or use a peppery sauce. A big shout out to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Talks Delight. On this channel, I upload healthy and yummy meal recipes, healthy drink recipes, international meals, and sometimes I also upload travel vlogs, career talks, and some lifestyle vlogs. Please ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new videos. Is there any recipe or Nigerian recipe you would like to see on the channel? Kindly let me know in the comment section, and I will include it in the list of videos to do this year. For the batch I prepared in the air fryer, I fried at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes, and I ensured I opened and flipped to the other side during this period. And as for the deep oil frying method, I just fried until it's golden brown. So which one do you prefer? A fried potato bite or oil fried potato bite? The choice is up to you, but I can assure you this tastes yummy, and it's one recipe you would love and can't afford to miss. And that will be all for today's video. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.